Okay, so I've finished the watering app. It was actually just such a small thing that we were adding in. Um, Essentially just working in the repository to set up the data, the builder, the work request, and then queuing it. So obviously it kind of goes for the part for most of these code labs we've done, um, where the practice assignment is really in depth and you learn a lot, and um, the other one that's actually called practice is just so much smaller. So the both apps have you use Work Manager for background tasks, and they both have the same, architecture with a repository and a view model and the UI layer. The schedule reminder method here in the repository um, pretty much just matches the work manager concepts in the Blur app. So let's see so let's water our carrot, and we'll just say remind me in 5 seconds, and there it is. And succeeded. Um, we didn't put in any constraints, although it seems easy enough to add in. So I'm not going to test anything like Wi-Fi connectivity or anything like that. Actually, for this kind of app, you don't really need Wi-Fi. It's just running on your device. It's just a timer. I do wonder how accurate like a day would be. Um, and not sure if there's, I could Google it if there's a way to emulate a day passing, probably. But let's just do a minute while I finish the demo. Um, let's see. The putting in those other values, they have this constants class file. Um, and then, yeah, because those early tutorials had us manipulating the resource files. I was tempted to add in pictures and things for each of these plants. So, like for me, if I, had a watering app to help me remember, I would literally have a picture of the plant that I want to go water, because we don't always remember them by their technical name. So let's see. There it is. So this is, it's fun. I'm wondering what's scheduled. A reminder worker. Let's see, is there anything else? There's no chaining in this one of events. It's not that complicated of a app. And the unique naming method of the jobs, the reminder, so that we could have a unique work name. This is actually pretty common too in the workplace, is adding together some variables that, make sense to the developer who's used to the system, but doesn't necessarily, like, it's just you need a unique series of numbers and letters to make sure that you're not mixing up jobs. Um, yeah, so this app just basically goes over scheduling, and that's kind of it. Thank you.